In this video, we are going to be covering how to close the trial and generate a catalog. So if you don't have your event set to close automatically, you can come to the trial dashboard when you're ready to close the trial. You see the section there that says status. You click on that and set it to closed. That'll close the trial. In this instance, the club for this trial has the setting turned on that will automatically remove unpaid entries on closing. So I left a couple in there as an example. So if you click OK there, it will remove the unpaid entries and set the trial to closed. Once the trial is closed, you'll notice that these buttons have become active. So we're going to click on the catalog dashboard, which will bring us to the next screen. From here, you can set your running order. I've set these ones up already. By default, you need to go through and actually do them, but you just click on it and you can set your order by dragging the heights around as you want and clicking submit. Also, you can just easily switch it back to forth if you're just going 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or vice versa for the other ones. And there's a randomize button there in case you want to use that. Obviously, this is not applicable to disciplines that don't have heights, such as scent work. So once that's done, you just click generate draft and that will go away and create a draft catalog. So in the background, this is taking all the entries, putting them into height order where applicable, and just randomizing the order. This can take up to 30 seconds to start. You can see that's already happened in this case. Once that's finished, if you click on preview, it'll give you a nice little layout of what entries are where. So in this instance, you might get the occasional entry where the handler is next to each other. So you can just grab them, drag them somewhere else, and that'll automatically save. So you can set your order however you like. And this is obviously split between trials here, so you can see your AM and PM trial or however you've got that split done. Once you've done that, you can finalize the catalog. That it will give you an option here if you're doing a 1 number per run or 1 number per dog. So obviously 1 number per run is the West Australian rules, 1 number per dog is the rest of the country, I believe. If you are going for 1 number per run, it will go and put numbers along every run in the order that they are in the catalog there. If you don't want to start with number 1, you have to go and plonk in a number in this starting section here. You also have the ability to change it for each individual trial. I've lost my little status bar there, but that's the same process in the background. It can take up to a minute to actually kick in, but that is basically just locking in your order and adding in your catalog numbers. If you were to select 1 number per dog, it will number them in order of the dog's first appearance in the catalog, and then that dog will have the same number throughout. So once we've done that, we can view the catalog and you'll see there all our numbers are done. If you have a competition that allows NFC entries at entry time, it will put them at the bottom of their respective height classes. From here, you can download a catalog, which is basically just the same list we saw but in Excel form. You can get the gate stewards list, which is an individual class per sheet that you can give to your gate stewards. You can publish a catalog. Basically, this allows you to, this is what gives the competitors the ability to download the file. So you can either upload your own if you want to add like a cover page or whatever to the order, put the numbers in a different format, whatever you like. You can publish the Top Dog Events version, which is or the Excel version that you would see if you click the download button, or you can link it directly to a URL if you happen to host your catalog on a different website. You can also delete and start over, or view any scratchings if there happen to be any. You've also got the option to download your cue cards. You can do this before adding catalog numbers if you need. This will give you a pre-printed quality card for every entry, and you can also download printable numbers. Once you've got your catalog done, you can edit an entry afterwards just by a catalog number. It'll give you, you can change your handler, the height, or even the class. If say someone says, oh, pretty please, can I move to ADX? You can do that from this screen. And if you do take late entries, you can, if you press the add late entries button, it'll go and add a number on for you afterwards. So that is creating catalogs in a nutshell. Thanks.